Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to calculate safe distance in industrial radiography, a very important topic for radiation safety. If you work in RT or are preparing for exams, this video will help you understand it step by step. Next, we will learn and understand the below topics in the upcoming slides. The first topic is, what is the safe distance in industrial radiography? The second topic is, safe distance calculation formula. The third topic is, source intensity calculation. The fourth topic is, safe distance calculation. So, let's get started. Next, we will learn and understand the safe distance and its factors in industrial radiography. Next, understands, what is the safe distance? Safe distance in radiography means the minimum distance required to reduce radiation exposure to a safe level. Next, we will learn and understand the safe distance factors. A safe distance in radiography depends on several factors such as the first factor, the type and strength of the radiation source, example, Iridium-192, Cobalt-60, X-ray. The second factor, the exposure time. The third factor, the shielding used. The fourth factor, regulatory limits for radiation exposure, typically expressed in microsievert per hour or mREM per hour. Next, the common safety limits. Controlled area limit, 7.5 microsievert per hour. Uncontrolled, public area limit, 2.5 microsievert per hour. Next, we will learn and understand the safe distance calculation formula for industrial radiography. Next, to calculate safe distance, we use the inverse square law. To determine safe distance in industrial radiography, the key principle used is the inverse square law. Radiation intensity decreases rapidly with distance. I1 is divided by I2 is equal to D2 square is divided by D1 square. Where I1 is the intensity at distance D1. I2 is the intensity at distance D2. D1 is the initial distance. D2 is the required safe distance. Next, we will learn and understand the source intensity calculation for industrial radiography. The intensity of radiation is 500 microsieverts per hour at 1 meter away from a source. What is the intensity of the radiation at 20 meters? Given data. I1 is the intensity at distance D1 as 500 microsieverts per hour. D1 is the initial distance as 1 meter. D2 is the required safe distance as 20 meters. I2 is the intensity at distance D2, need to be calculated. Inverse square law formula. I1 is divided by I2 is equal to D1 square is divided by D2 square. Rearrange the formula. I2 is equal to I1 into D1 square is divided by D2 square. Apply the given data. I2 is equal to 500 into 1 square is divided by 20 squares. Therefore, based on above equation and calculations, intensity of radiation, I2 is 1.25 microsieverts per hour. Next, we will learn and understand the safe distance calculation for industrial radiography. A source is producing an intensity of 400 microsievert per hour at 1 meter from the source. What would be the safe distance in meter intensity of 5 microsieverts per hour? Given data. I1 is the intensity at distance D1 is 400 microsieverts per hour. I2 is the intensity at distance D2 is 5 microsieverts per hour. D1 is the initial distance is 1 meter. D2 is the required safe distance in meter. Inverse square law formula. I1 is divided by I2 is equal to D2 square is divided by D1 square. Rearrange the formula. D2 is equal to square root of the I1 into D1 square is divided by I2. Apply the given data. D2 is equal to square root of the 400 into 1 square is divided by 5. Therefore, based on above equation and calculations, the required safe distance, D2 is 8.944 meters. The conclusion and quick summary of the tutorial. Safe distance reduces radiation exposure. Depends on source strength, time, shielding, and limits. Use inverse square law for calculations. Increasing distance significantly reduces radiation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more information videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.